Welcome back in my new class. Today I am going to discuss on the topic computer application in front office department. See dear student, that is the first point is the point to be considered while selecting a PMS. What is PMS? That is a property management system. See there are in the red color the points are mentioned, that is called budget, then the brand, then you will get a cost of operation, then you will get a ease of installation, then you will get a ease of use, then you will get the, these are the 4 or 5 points you will consider while purchasing your software. First is the budgeting. What is budgets? Budget must be considered while selecting a PMS for the hotel. A small hotel may want to opt for a local, easier known brand for the cost constraint, while bigger hotel may opt for a well known brand as they were often used, maybe from the TCS, maybe from the Microsoft Word, maybe from the IBM. There are the different companies which they used to prepare the PMS, property management system, Fidelio, these are the things. Okay, now come to the branding. Branding, well known PMS brands are considered reliable, which may be help bigger hotel to decide upon the selected hotel management software based on their brand image. Now the cost operating, the hardware, computer, printer, backup disks, etc. used by the PMS should be replaceable at a reasonable cost. The cost of operating supplies such as paper and the cartridges should also be reasonable. System that require such hardware part which cannot be obtained economically, readily and local should be avoided. Then the next point is of installation, means hotel operation, that is the hotel operation should use it 24/7 a week, or any distribution in the countries continent operation for PMS can afford the hotel and eat the guest. Before selecting a new PMS, the front office should thoroughly investigate the amount of time required in the installation of new system, installation time and actually cost may be common considered in the selection of the PMS. The next is the use. The new front office employee must learn how to use the PMS. The ease which will then be learned the system in effect to reduce the training cost and increase the pace at which the new employee become comfortable operating the system. The next, ease of interface instruction. Information needed by the front office management or managers to proficiency management. Front office commonly form a varieties of sources. Hotel use many automatic systems like key card machine, telephone system, which must be interfaced with the PMS for operating utility and efficiency. The next is maintenance requirement. Like any other hotel equipment, the PMS must be properly maintained to operate efficiency. The cost of the effective preventive maintenance may vary from one PMS to another. The front office manager must determine and understand the time and the money required to minimize downtime and to maximize the system efficiency by providing routine outgoing maintenance. Ease and frequency of upgrading. Technology advance at the first paces. Hardware and software upgrading are routine issues by the manufacturing company, and most of these significant improve the operating efficiency of PMS. Front office managers should anticipate significant increase in demand of upgrading, monitoring and speed and should provide for the same. Now next is the quality and ability of supporting system or services. A PMS, the property management system, in a computerized system and is available to hardware malfunctioning, software glittering and potential damaging viruses. Support service personnel, preferably via to a toll-free telephone number, must be accessible 24/7 on a daily basis. That's all about the PMS. Thank you, student. We'll back in